I'm Laura from theonelawyer.com. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Ask My Lawyer Mom. I'm here today with my favorite questioner.
Hi, I'm Ryland.
And he's always got a lot of questions. I've been doing personal injury work for almost 20 years. Spent 9 of those years working for a major insurance company. There's not really anything I can't answer that has anything to do with your insurance or an accident or any type of contractual liability. You have a question for me today, Red?
Does car insurance cost more depending on where I live?
Actually, it does, strikingly. It really can vary from your zip code to zip code, even in Las Vegas.
Why do they think they can charge more depending on my zip code?
That's a good question. And the process of determining rates for car insurance is very complex, and that's why there's so much variance between the different carriers. And if you check out one of my blogs, I talk in a lot of detail about how they determine the rates for car insurance. It can depend on anything from your credit to obviously your past history of driving, your criminal or citation record, and a lot of different factors. And one of those factors is actually your zip code.
Should I always buy the cheapest insurance?
No, that's definitely not what you want to do. But you definitely want to compare based on the same thing. And some carriers might consider your zip code less of a risk. What they do is they basically just take a statistical totality of the zip code that you live in, and if there are more accidents or more claims in a particular zip code, the rates will be higher in that zip code. And it's not because of demographic, it's not because of socioeconomic necessarily, it's because of how many claims arose from drivers or from property in that area.
Should I move to different places if it's expensive where I live?
No, usually the rate difference that I've seen over the years is not more than $200, which $200 is somewhat significant for sure, but it's probably not worth moving your whole family to another zip code to save that $200.
What other facts do a car insurance companies determine if I should buy more for my car insurance?
There's a lot of factors that influence your rates. And when you are comparing car insurance, it's really important to make sure that you compare apples to apples. So when you compare numbers, you need to make sure you're buying the same coverage, because one different click of one different button, yes, I want rental, no, I don't, yes, I want UAM, can drastically change the rate. So when you're comparing car insurance, yes, different carriers will charge you different by zip code. Yes, they charge different, but always make sure that you are looking at all the same factors when you're comparing your rates.
Make sure to like, subscribe, and leave your questions in the comments down below.
And if you have any questions, the area of insurance is very overwhelming. We give free insurance reviews. Call my office, contact me at theonelawyer.com. I'm happy to set it up. I'm happy to go over your coverage with you. So just give me a call or contact me at theonelawyer.com.